Are you tired of interruptions and limitations while listening to your favorite music on Spotify? Right now, the free version restricts your skips and interrupts the vibe with ads. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to legally unlock Premium for 4 months, completely free. First, exit the Spotify app and go to your phone's home screen. Open your Google app or any web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Spotify Premium 4 months free and hit search. Look for the official Spotify link or a reputable offer page showing the 4-month deal. Click on the link. You should land on a page that says, "Try 4 months for $0." This is an official promotional offer from Spotify, so it is 100% safe and legal. Tap the button to start the trial. You'll need to log in to your account. Select your login method. I'm using Google to sign in here. If prompted, enter your verification codes to secure your login. Once you're verified, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Notice clearly that the total price today is $0. You may need to enter your address details for billing purposes, even though it's free. Next, choose your payment method. I recommend using PayPal for security. You won't be charged today, but a payment method is required to activate the trial. Review the subscription terms. You can cancel anytime before the 4 months are up. Click Complete Purchase to proceed to the payment gateway. Now, simply log into your PayPal account to authorize the $0 transaction. Enter your email and password securely. You might need to complete a quick security check or enter an OTP code. Wait for the verification to process. Once verified, enter the code sent to your device. Confirm the setup. This authorizes future billing only after the free trial ends. The screen will load as it connects your account to Spotify. And there we go. You are now redirected back to the app. Let's check the profile. It now says your premium at the top. Tap on it to see the details. You have the standard plan active. If you check the billing details, you'll see the next charge isn't for another 4 months. You have successfully secured 120 days of music for absolutely zero cost. Now, let's test out the features. Play any song you want. You now have unlimited skips and 0 ads. You can scrub through tracks freely and listen in high quality. Let's add a song to a playlist to test the download feature. Create a new playlist and add your favorite tracks. You'll see the download icon is now available. Tap it to listen offline. The songs are downloaded instantly. Enjoy your free ad-free music experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more verified tips.